Today I'm making a fall fruit salad. I wanted to try this recipe. It seemed like a great complement to a Thanksgiving breakfast. So I'm starting with 2 Honeycrisp apples and 1 Granny Smith apple. And these are medium size. I have 2 ripe pears. So I bought the pears a couple of days ago and let them ripen on the counter. I have a 1/4 cup of pecans as well as a 1/4 cup of cranberries. Now, if you want to use a little bit of what I use for fruit to keep the fruit from turning brown, I use a little bit of fruit fresh for produce protection, and I add that to the apples, and it kind of keeps their color if I'm not serving this dish right away. If I wanted to make it ahead for a day or two. If you're serving it right away, all you have to do is add your sliced oranges, and you're going to take the juice of 1 orange and use that all over the fresh fruit and toss, and it is ready to go, and you have a wonderful, healthy fall fruit salad.